Jai Srimannarayana. 14th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sarvendriya Gunabhasam Sarvendriya Vivarjitam असक्तं सर्वभृच्चैव निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च ॐ. As a pure soul, realize that you are an embodiment of Suddha Sattva Gunam. Because you are in this body, you are exposed to all these pains and pleasures. Constantly strive to get back to your original state. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that as a pure soul, I am an embodiment of Suddha Sattva Gunam. Because I am in this body, I am exposed to all these pains and pleasures. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall constantly strive to get back to my original state. Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमु दशमस्कन्धमु 10th skandham 241st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this: O Krishna, adhapite deva padambujadvaya prasadalesa anugruhitaye vahi. Even if there is a small particle of the dust from your divine feet comes to anyone, only then that human will be able to understand your glory. Otherwise, even if someone chants Vedas for years and years, even then na janati tattvam, they will not be able to understand your divine glow and glory. Ho Nadha, Ho Sri Krishna, can you please bless me to be able to be in your divine feet seva, nee pada seva, yela brahma padambu. The position that I am in is Brahma Padam, Brahma. I do not have any opportunity to serve your divine feet. Why would I need this kind of status, O Krishna? Vedamulakun vikshimpagarani ninnun. You are the one who is not even realized by all Chaturvedas. They cannot see you, but same such supreme you are now in this world. Ee lokambunan ee vanantaramunandu ee mandalo Krishna Krishna anuchun ఆలాపాద సమస్త భావములు నీయందే సమర్పించు నీ వ్రేలందు ఒక్కని పాదరేణువులు పై వేష్టించినన్ చాలదే. Krishna, all Chaturvedas cannot see you, but you are here in this world, on this earth, in this forest, and all these Gopalas, they all got you as their friend. Not only that, every one of these Gopalas calling you Krishna, Krishna, they are talking to you, they are playing with you, they are doing so many activities with you. They are sharing their opinions, feelings, emotions, everything with you. They are dedicating everything to you. Hey Bhagavan, Ho Krishna, I would like to be a small particle of the so many particles of the feet of at least one of your friends, Gopalas. Even if I am able to take one small particle from any of your Gopalas' divine feet and put that on my head, that would be such a great thing that I can get. And with that, my entire purpose of life will be served. I will be so fortunate to take a small particle of the dust of the feet of your one of the friends Gopalas. But now I am in the status Brahma. Ela Brahma Padambu. I do not want this kind of status, Bhagavan, where I cannot do serve to your divine feet. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 14th sloka. सर्वेन्द्रियगुणाभासं सर्वेन्द्रियविवर्जितं असक्तं सर्वभृच्चैव निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च सर्वेन्द्रियगुणाभासं सर्वेन्द्रियविवर्जितं అసక్తం సర్వభృచ్చైవ నిర్గుణం గుణభోక్తృ చ. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.